Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make your Apple Watch battery last longer. So, today in front of me is an Apple Watch SE first generation, and if your Apple Watch dies quickly, the battery goes off very quickly. It's maybe because you have turned on all the sensors, all the health checks and whatsoever that are under the Apple Watch, and it drains a lot of battery. For example, if you're going to work out for, I don't know, let's say 5 hours because you go cycling, the battery is going to drain quickly because all the sensors are working and it consumes energy. And if you want to make your Apple Watch battery last a little bit longer, you can go to the settings and turn off the sensors that you don't want to really work for you. Like, you can decrease the amount of checking the heartbeat during the day or something like that. Or if you don't want any sensors to work, you can just turn on the battery saver mode by clicking this power button and clicking on the battery percentage icon. And now you can click on the low power mode, and as you can see, the battery saver is going to limit the sensors, working of the sensors, as well as the Wi-Fi connection of your Apple Watch. So it means that incoming notifications may be delayed a little bit, but they are still going to come to your Apple Watch, like all of them, but it may take some time. And also, as you can see, the low power mode is going to turn off the background heart rate measurements and heart rate notifications, so you are going to lose a little bit of things that Apple Watch offers you. But if you want it to last a little bit longer, because for example you're going for a trip that there's not going to be a charger very soon, you can turn on the battery saver and the Apple Watch is going to last a little bit longer. So yeah, this is it. I hope it helped. If it did, please subscribe and hit the like. Bye!